This video is about SEO writing, where you can create full pages, blog posts and so much more with just a few clicks. Let's go in. So first go on SEOWriting AI. If you scroll down a bit, you have an overview about the tool, you have some key facts about the tool. You can create full pages in just a few minutes which are optimized for SEO, like for Google or Yahoo search results. If you scroll down further, you see some more information about the tool. You have also a ranking about your page or blog post compared to other similar pages, and there are a ton of features you can use here. So first you sign up. After signing up, you're here at the dashboard. Here you can look at the different features of SEOWriting.ai. You have the SuperPage feature, we will cover that in a second. You have the one-click post feature, where you can generate your blog post with just a few keywords. You have the article generation, where you can place some keywords and it will write a full article about it. And the Humanizer Tool, where you can put in your content and get a more readable output of it, like for children or other. So first we cover the SuperPage feature. So here you enter some keywords or instructions. You can also choose the target location for the generated page, and you can add also brand voices for the page. So let's try something. We want a SuperPage about how AI was created. We wanted United States and we just hit create. So now the tool needs some time to create the page. In the meantime, we have some actions here like pause, repeat or delete. We can create more pages or articles now. So once he is done, we have the generated page about the AI, how it was created. It starts with the early 90s. It adds some pictures. Yes, that looks wonderful. The context is right. The images are not blurry and have no deformation. The text is nice. Awesome. On the right side we have a comparison, how well our page is compared to others. We have an overview about the structure, how many words, paragraphs, images, which keywords, headlines. If we click on select competitors, we have an overview about them. We can select some, hit update selection, and now we have a better overview how our page is performing compared to others. Let's try something. Let's rewrite this whole paragraph here. And he gives us other text, similar content but in other words. We can hit replace and he replaces it live in the page. Awesome. We can also edit pictures, delete them, replace them. Awesome. So let's try another example. How does a television work? We want Australia as target location and we add a brand voice. We can add a text here. So our whole page will be in our writing style. We have a text here primarily targeting children here. It's a super easy readable text. Let's try it. Now he analyzed it. We have friendly kid teacher, it's warm, it uses simple words, its target audience is for children aged 6 to 12, and we save it. If we go back to the SuperPage feature, we can now add this brand voice we just created and we hit create. So next we try the blog post feature, we click on it. Here we have some keywords, best electric scooters 2025, generate a title for it. Perfect. Language should be English. The article type should be a comparison. It should be large. The voice should be friendly. We can choose from different AI models like the Llama, Claude or DeepSeek. We just let it on default. Point of view is second person. Readability should be understood by 11 years old. Target country is United States. Here we can create our own brand voice to ensure it's always consistent. We let it on none. Here we can add some details like a phone number 677-999-333-666. We want some AI images. We let here all on default. We could include some keywords, the structure of the article. We have a ton of features to choose from, but we let all on default for now. And on the bottom of the generation process, you choose the target website. We add a website. You have the WordPress plugin to connect it. There is also a full documentation how you can connect your WordPress website with SEOWriting AI. Back at the generation process, we scroll up and we hit run. So here we have our blog post about electric scooters for 2025. He gives an overview. At first, we have our linked phone number here. He gives us top performers with models, embedded YouTube videos, some comparison of different models of the e-scooters, mid-range, wide range. Awesome! Now we look at the article generation feature. We enter a main keyword. We want an article about headsets, so we add headset. We hit generate. Now he generated similar keywords based on ours. We enter a title like best headsets 2025. We hit generate. Now he generates better titles for each keyword here. We can also enter more keywords which will be included in the text, like gaming. He does the same for all other keywords here, and an outline to include in the text, like low budget. And he also generated this. If we scroll down, we have core settings to choose from, like the language, the article type. It should be a product review. The size should be small. We let all others on default and we hit run. So he's finished, and here we have an article about the gaming headset. He wrote a short overview about the gaming headsets, which options you have, wireless, wired, stereo, surround, some important features of the headset like noise cancelling, sound quality, also pro and cons of higher priced headsets, some examples, real examples. Awesome. So now we try the Humanizer tool. We have an input text how AI was created. It's very technical, very hard to understand. Now we want it easy to read. So we choose 5th grade, easily understood by 11-year-olds. It's English, and we hit Humanize. He removed some useless information there and focused on the main points of the whole article. Very nice. Let's have a look at the pricing. You have different memberships. On the starter, you can create up to 10 super pages, 50 articles. You can use the AI models, Llama, DeepSeek and much more. You have unlimited words, one brand voice. In comparison to the professional one, you can create 50 super pages, 250 articles. You can use 5 brand voices. On the plus one, you have even more super pages and articles. You have 10 brand voices and all features from before. As usual, if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one.